Welcome back, children. Welcome, grade 2. How are you? Okay, now this is your science lesson. All right, now I want to ask you something that what was the topic that we have done yesterday? What was the main topic actually that we have done? That was about roots, right? We have started this new unit, and that new unit is called roots, right? But what we did actually yesterday, we learned about the different kinds of roots, right? We have done different kinds of roots. And remember, as I have already told you, that there are different kinds of roots, but we are only going to do the two kinds of roots. And what were they? They were the taproot and the fibrous root. Correct. These are the two kinds of roots that we have done it. Although there are many kinds of roots, but we are only going to go in detail with these two. Now, today's topic is that we are going to discuss how roots suck water. Okay, how does roots suck water? And for that you can see that I have drawn a picture over here. Now this is a picture of a root. Now this is actually a root. You can see the thick part is the root, and you can see these small other branches, small parts. Now this is also the part of a root, but these are the root hairs. What are they? They are root hairs, and what happens that these root hairs suck water and minerals from the soil. It suck water and minerals from the soil. Now if I draw a picture over here, can you see this? Now these are different roots, right? This is a picture of root, and over here is the soil. Where does the root grows actually? It grows in the soil. So when it is growing in the soil, it has the root hairs. Now these root hairs, they suck water and minerals. Now you put water to the plant, to give water to the plant so that to the seed, so that the plant is going to grow, right? So when you put water, this water goes in the soil, right? And what happens that these root hairs, they absorb that water and they absorb that minerals. Okay, they absorb that water and they suck the water and minerals from the soil. This is how the water is sucked by the root. Who sucks water? You can see there are small hairs found on the root. So these are the root hairs. When water reaches the soil, these root hairs, they suck water and minerals from the soil. This is how the water travels, okay? And the water is sucked by the root hairs. And there is also you can see this tip of root. Now, the tip of root is called the root cap. Okay. Now what does the root cap does? The root cap protects the root tip. It protects the root tip. There is a cap over here, and this root cap, it protects the tip of the root. Okay. So have you understood now what I mean to say? Now, what I mean to say is what happens, how the water is sucked, right, by the root. Now, you can see I have shown you. Again, I'm going to repeat that the bigger part is the root, and these small parts are called root hairs. Now, root hairs, they suck water and minerals. They suck water and minerals from the soil. Understood? Okay. Now if I erase my drawing, okay. Now if I draw like this, these are the different roots, right? You can say the root here is also there, right? These are the root here, and this is the plant, right? Now, where this plant, where these roots are? These roots are, they are inside in the soil. Yes. Now, the among these roots, the roots, this is, suppose it's a thick root and it has all these hairs inside. So these hairs, they protect, what they do, they suck when you put water over here. You put water here, water is going here, you put water. So these root hairs, they suck water and they suck minerals, right? And the tap and this root tip, it protects the root. It protects the root, right? So this is the process of how water is sucked by the root. I hope this is very, very, very much clear to you all. Yes? Okay. Now what is you are going to do? You are going to do question number 3, which is there on the page 27. Okay, for 3 minutes time you are going to do this work. Your time starts now. Time is up. Okay, now tell me the answer to part number A. What is the work of part A, the root hair? Come on. The root hair suck water and minerals. Very good. From where? From the soil. Correct. Now number B. The root cap. What does the root cap does? The root cap, it protects the root tip. Very good. It protects the root tip over here. Great job. Very good, children. I'm so happy for you all. That's great. Very good. Now, if you read this lesson, you are going to find out all these informations. They are already given over here. The information which I have discussed with you just now, everything is here. You can see the picture of root here. This is a big picture of root, and these are the root hairs, and here is the big root. And here you can see the picture of another root, and you can see the root cap that protects the tip of the roots, right? So what is written here? All roots have very fine hairs on them. These are called root hairs. Root hairs suck water and minerals from the soil. The tip of the root has a root cap. The root cap protects the root tip. So I know you have understood what everything that I have discussed is written there. Now I'm going to show you a picture of another plant and I'm going to discuss with you what the picture says. Okay. Now listen to look at the picture carefully and listen to me. Can you all see this picture here? My screen. Now see how the plant is getting water here. Yes, and see roots take up water. How the roots take up water. You can see here, see the different roots are here. You can see this bigger root is here and root hairs also. So you are giving water and they suck water and minerals, and gradually the stem carries water to leaf, and then gradually it's going to go out. So you can say this is a leaf, this is a stem, it carries water to leaves and root take up water. It sucks the water and mineral. So this is another, this also clearly shows you the process of water, how it is sucked by the root, right? So I hope this lesson is clear to you all. Although there was not much, only few things were there which I want you all to remember, like how water is sucked by, how roots suck water, right? When it comes the root hairs, they suck water and minerals, right? So this was all about today. I hope you have enjoyed the lesson. Okay, and do your work which I'll be posting on portal, and do watch the Edwell videos. Okay, Tilly? Bye bye. Have a nice day.